Hey folks, Serpent Trading back here again, and following on from my look at the oil major Royal Dutch Shell, I thought I'll have a look at another one, a bit of charting on another oil major, BP, and as you can see, this is the weekly chart, and it's been in a very gentle downtrend for quite a while now. So I think this trend channel some may offer some significant levels which we may be able to look at targets. And I've also pointed out that this around the £3 price level has actually acted as support quite a few times, and around the later kind of price movement, it's been acting as support quite a bit as well. So another area with certainly an area with a lot of interest, and that's why I've put this large sort of price interest area zone around it. So like zooming into the more recent price activity, we can see we've ended the week with a doji, and that's going to show indecisiveness in the market. We're not currently at the lowest lows, but we are quite close to playing around with these lows. So you can see Shell was playing around with the lows of the Corona Rona, and BP is actually even past that level. And if we check out the daily chart, you can see that it's also formed a bit of a channel. Not Shells was back from June. It had stayed consistently in a nice channel all the way down to the lows. BP has dropped even past that, and I didn't put a low of a channel, but it could even say it's actually fallen out of a channel down here. It's not a particularly good channel. It's got too many really kind of make it really have to try and make that one fit, and it doesn't really quite work. I think the top of the channel line's got two nice touches on it, but that bottom isn't really fitting, so let's get rid of that. But this more recent channel, it's got a little gap up here, and that fits much nicer, and it's been trading down there for quite a while now, since back in August. Not really the same kind of signs of a low developing here yet. What we're looking for, well, we're going to be looking for a break of this down trend line, and if you want a bit more confidence, possibly this downtrend line here, although that's not going to give you the same trading potential, as I would say that this is probably gonna, this kind of £3 level is probably going to act as some resistance, certainly where it combines with the longer term downtrend price channel. So yeah, nothing too much to see on this channel, this chart at the moment. I'm not seeing any really good buying places to buy yet. I would definitely wait for some sort of price formation to indicate a change in the trend. And yeah, I think that's all I've got to say about BP at the moment. Definitely one to watch. As I say, I think all the oil majors are really cheap at the moment. And I'm just looking on the old RSI. I only really use RSI to look for things like divergence, because So I do think divergence just gives you a bit of an indication of a price level. Maybe there's a bit of a divergence there. Doesn't quite work because you've got the rally up here. It's I would say that's not really a valid indicator either. So yeah, I think for now I'm just going to keep an eye on BP, keep an eye on Shell. Definitely interested in buying either of these two. Might check out some of the other oil majors, look at what their charts looking like as well. So yeah, if you got anything out of this, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll be looking at some stocks that I own and doing some weekly updates really soon.